Look for any cosmetic damages on the tripod. Ensure that the tripod comes with its base plate. Extend all the legs slightly and lock them in place. Press down firmly on each leg to ensure the locks are sturdy. Ensure that the pan and tilt handles and the locking nuts on the head work properly. Extend the central column to check if it's intact. Lock the central column in place by tightening the locking nut. Ensure that the base plate locks into the tripod. Make sure to loosen the tilt and pan handles as well as the locking nuts before packing away your tripod. Close the tripod's legs and put it back in its bag. Tighten the strings on the bag to close it. Check that everything that should be included in the kit is there. That includes the DSLR user manual, the battery, an SD card and an SD card holder, a battery charger and cable, a lens cap, a video microphone and windsock, the camera and its lens, check for any cosmetic damages to the camera. Insert the battery and SD card in their respective slots on the bottom of the camera. Switch on the camera using the dial on top. Next, you need to format your SD card. Press the menu button on the left-hand side of your camera. On the menu screen, navigate to the function settings. Use the round button labeled Set to select the settings. Use the up and down buttons next to the Set button to navigate. Select the Format Card option at the bottom of the list. Press the OK button to format the SD card. Press the menu button again to exit the menu. Switch to the video mode by turning the dial on top of the camera. Press the Record button next to the viewfinder to start a recording. Press the Playback button on the bottom right of your camera to select a clip to play back. Press the Set button to play the clip. To attach the video microphone, you must first plug it into your mic input on the side of the camera. Slide the microphone into the hot shoe on top of the camera and tighten it. When disassembling your camera, make sure to: first, turn off the camera. Second, detach the video microphone. Third, remove the battery and SD card. Lastly, place the camera and its accompanying equipment back in the bag.